Hello again everyone. In the previous lesson we completed the app. Now we want to make the result and conclusion for that. So let's commit everything, ending the project. This project doesn't need a lot report in the past time. We need to just make it more clean. We don't need this loop, this project, this thing. We just need to name it imported files. We need to empty that here also. But for that, I'm going to paste a file there, so they'll not be empty. Let's see what I can put there. My PDFs are not good to put there. So let's just put the SVG, this file. To here. And I want to also delete all of them. To have a clean memo. And I also need to create some changes to the date we have here. Let's go and get there. I need to cut that, paste it here. And also it's very not efficient. I want to have all the files in one place. After that, let me just find something that's making some problems for us. You know what I mean? Where we paste the address. Okay, here. I think we are here. Our code is here. And for going to import files, it can just go to import files. But let me just make it be there. Let it be here. It's not a really problem, but I want to at least give a lot of space so I can change it every time I want. Okay, now our code is done. Let me just commit that, ending the project. Maybe one day in the future I make it to the app. Not now. Let's fetch it. Let's go to our GitHub. But before that, let's go to app. I want to copy all of that, paste it here, write a report for this app to put in my GitHub README. I love AIs. Okay, let's complete that. Add a README file. Write it in a format that looks great in README file. Programming in the back days was really harder. I'm happy that nowadays we can done it very easily, and I'm also so happy in the way nowadays this works. Let's take a preview. Okay, it's good. It's very, very good. I'm going to commit the changes. Now everything is created, but I don't list it untitled folder. Let's see why we have that. I delete that. I need to fetch the origin. This was one of the great projects that I ever done. It's very useful for me for learning pictures. By using cam scanner, I scan my things and use it the best way possible. But you see, we have a little problem in deleting items. It's going to create some problem, but not important. 4 GB. I don't know why it's deleting, but it's okay. Now let's commit the end. Now I just need to push and pull the origins. This project is ended, and this was a really great project. I really like that. In the next video, this project is ended. In the next video, I'm going to try to create another project and find to what to create to make my GitHub better and best looker. I think I'm going to start a project, wide project, for 30 or more days, but let's wait until then. I hope you all enjoyed this project. Have a nice time. Bye.